Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for Living Local, your lifestyle show for all things Charleston and beyond. I'm Ashley Meservey. Joining us today, we have Cindy McClure. She is the owner here at Southern Cosmetic Laser in Somerville. Thanks for having us back today.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, so we're talking about hair restoration, right?
Yes, yes. Exciting because we have a lot of patients who, male and female, where they have the thinning hairline, whether it's hormonal or whether it's aging, and just another way that might increase their self-esteem and help stimulate some of the little baby vellus hairs to get thicker. It's a great stimulatory procedure that uses growth hormones, a special synthetic growth hormone, growth factor, and what it is, we use a dedicated laser that creates little microchannels in the scalp, and then interject that. I will actually massage it on, so I don't inject anything, and into the scalp. It doesn't take long to do.
Like you can come over lunch?
It takes about 10 or 15 minutes to do. So yeah, definitely you can come over lunch.
Not painful? Not painful?
No, no, not at all. You just need to have the hair clean when you come in, so you can't have any products or anything in your hair, and you got to be really smart because it is a laser, so you got to wear sunscreen and a cap just to make sure, because obviously if I'm treating in the hairline, you can still get sunburn. But you need to do about 6 of those treatments, and about bi-weekly, so every other week, and have a special shampoo and a special hair serum that you can also use at home. And it does good at stimulating those little vellus hair. Obviously, if you have a condition where you have no hair follicles, then it's not going to stimulate the birth of new follicles, but it's going to thicken and increase the volume of hairs that might be thin on certain body parts. Well, hair.
Yeah, where are you noticing? Is it like
receding hairlines in the crown? You know, men usually, like I say, the receding hairlines, we're going to do a treatment today, and he's had some receding hairlines. Some, like I say, some patients have it genetic, some's hormonal, but it does stimulate the growth of that hair. And what patients also have to understand is they have to do maintenance treatments. That might be once or twice a year, because you have to keep, like, I want to say, fertilizing those little hairs, because that's essentially
that's
what
a good way to put it, though.
Yeah.
You always have such great ways of putting things. I love it. Okay, so, but as far as good candidates, you always say, it's not for everyone.
It's not
you
for
always
everyone.
have a lot of options for different types of people.
It is not for everyone.
You
don't have to come in and do a consultation. We'll talk about the procedure, look at exactly what the causes are that you have the thinning hair. And like I say, if you have alopecia areata, if you're bald, it's not going to grow new hair. That's, you know, usually have to get transplants and so forth for that. But it's for those normal, aging, hair receding lines. It's great for
things like that. Okay, this might be a stupid question, but I'm asking anyway. Can you, I know you talk about with lasers, you can't do stuff near that. Can you do your eyebrow?
No.
Okay, I just wanted, I know that, you know, if you have...
We have products that you can put on there to stimulate, but
you can't do the eyebrows, right?
No, I probably wouldn't have.
Yeah, gotcha. All right, anything else we need to know before we head out today?
Nope, easy procedure, no downtime, virtually painless, gives good results.
All righty, well, thanks again for having us. And for more information, head online to southerncosmeticlaser.com.